In this video, you will learn how to read this. The tie. A tie is a curved line connecting two notes. When two notes of the same pitch are tied together, they are considered a single sound. The duration is the sum of both note values. So a quarter note tied to a quarter note will have the same duration as a half note. A half note tied to a half note will have the same duration as a whole note. The dot. Placed to the right of the note, the dot lengthens the duration of the note by half its value. So here is a dotted quarter. The dot is equal to half of the duration of a quarter note. That is equivalent to an eighth note. So the duration of a dotted quarter is a quarter note plus an eighth note. For the same duration, you can use a dotted quarter or a quarter note tied to an eighth note. Let us try another one. The duration of the dot on the dotted half note is a quarter note. Remember, it takes two quarter notes to make a half note. So the duration of a dotted half note could be written as a half note tied to a quarter note, or it could be written as three quarter notes tied together. They all have the same duration. The dot can also be used on a rest. So the dotted quarter rest is equal to using a quarter rest and an eighth rest. They both create the same duration of silence. And here is what you have learned today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.